When pigs fly. When pigs fly means something that will never happen or is extremely unlikely to happen. Let's look at some example sentences. My boss says we will get a 4-day work week when pigs fly. I will learn how to cook a gourmet meal when pigs fly. Until then, it's takeout for me. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. My brother says he will wake up at 5 a.m. every day, but I don't think that will ever happen. My brother will wake up at 5 a.m. every day when pigs fly. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.